Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep look sleek and aggressive. First, ensure your Jeep's paint is in top condition with a deep clean and any necessary corrections. This creates the perfect foundation for new black finish, whether you choose a professional paint job or a durable vinyl wrap. Next, identify and remove any chrome elements, preparing them for a black treatment to achieve a cohesive, dark aesthetic. To truly black out your Jeep, focus on the details. Opt for black wheels, perhaps 17-inch or 20-inch, paired with aggressive all-terrain tires like 35-inch or 37-inch to enhance its rugged appeal. Don't forget the lighting. Swap out standard headlights and taillights for blacked-out LED versions. This not only improves visibility but also contributes significantly to the overall dark theme. For both aesthetics and capability, a lift kit is essential. A 2, 5-inch or 3, 5-inch lift provides better ground clearance and allows for larger tires, giving your Jeep a more commanding presence. Protect your investment with black steel bumpers and rock sliders, which also add to the aggressive styling. Finally, a black grille and matching fender flares will tie everything together, creating a truly formidable appearance. Once your black Jeep transformation is complete, focus on maintaining its stunning appearance. Apply a high-quality ceramic coating or wax to protect the paint and keep it looking new. Window tint, around 20% or 35%, adds privacy and further darkens the profile. Remember, regular cleaning and detailing are crucial to preserve that deep, rich black finish and ensure your Jeep always turns heads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.